Good morning, the honorable judges and ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Namira Izzati Rahman as the Prime Minister of the opening government. As the opening government, I strongly support this motion that AI should be integrated as a co-teacher in classroom. The technology such as ChatGPT or learning software that can help teachers to teach and guide students. By co-teacher, we define that it means AI it just help teacher, not replace them. And the reason why we support this motion is first, AI is allow the personalized learning style. Every person has a different learning style, and according to the UNESCO 2023, students that using AI tools have improved their score in academic by 30% compared by the traditional learning. Second, AI help a teacher to reduce workload. AI tools like GradeScope, it can help teacher to grade assignment quickly, so the teacher can more focus on teaching, not the paperwork. Third, AI can access anytime and anywhere, so students can learning not limited with time and place. So that's why we, the opening government, strongly support this motion. Thank you.
Good morning, honorable judges, members of the House. As the leader of the opposition, I strongly stand against the motion that AI should be integrated as a co-teacher in classrooms. While we acknowledge that artificial intelligence can assist teacher in certain aspects, giving AI the legal authority of the co-teacher is both unnecessary and dangerous for the future of education. So let's make our stance clear from the start. The opposition is not against the use of AI in education. We recognize that AI can be a helpful tool for grading research or creating lesson materials. However, we oppose the idea of AI being integrated as a co-teacher because that means sharing equal authority, responsibility, and influence over students, something that should only belong to human educators. For us, AI should remain a supporting tool, not a teaching partner. Education is not just about transferring knowledge, it's about sharpening character, building empathy, and developing emotional intelligence. Real teachers can sense when students are anxious, confused, or unmotivated. They adjust their tone, approach, and even body language to guide students. AI cannot replace that emotional intelligence. It may deliver information perfectly, but it cannot inspire our understand the emotional struggles behind a student's silence or tears. If we allow AI to act as a co-teacher, we reduce education to mere data processing, efficient but empty of meaning. Students may learn faster, but they won't necessarily learn better. Now, before the government side celebrates AI as a miracle, let's look ahead at what they might say. AI makes learning more efficient, but faster isn't always better. Education is about understanding, not just finishing. Second, AI reduces teacher workload. But even if AI helps with administrative tasks, that doesn't justify giving it authority as a co-teacher. We believe in AI-assisted education, not AI-led education. Teachers can use AI as tool, but they just remain the heart and soul of the classroom because only humans can nurture empathy, creativity, and moral values. Thank you.
morning, honorable educator, respected members of the House, and everyone present today. I'm Laina, and I'm the second speaker of the opening opposition, and I stand here to shortly propose the mention that artificial intelligence should be integrated as a co-teacher in classroom. As the opposition team, we fully acknowledge that AI has become a major part of our modern life. However, while technology can be a helpful educational tool, it should not be elevated to the level of a co-teacher. Education is not merely the transmission of knowledge, it is the process of building character, emotional intelligence, and ethical values. These are qualities that only human teacher can truly nurture. When students see AI as an equal to human teachers, the line between human interaction and artificial input become blurred. Teachers might lose their role as primary mentors, and students may start to rely more on AI answer rather than developing critical thinking. In the long term, this creates a generation that can consume information quickly but cannot question it deeply. Education should empower students to think, not just to follow what the system tells them. AI requires a massive amounts of data, including student performance, learning styles, and sometimes personality styles in countries where digital security is still developing. Integrating AI in classroom could expose students to risks of data leaks or misses. Do we really want our classroom, the safest space for learning, to become another database for teach companies? There is a difference between using AI for educational support and integrating it as a co-teacher. Teachers can still use AI for grading lessons, planning or language assistance that doesn't make AI a co-teacher. By labeling it as one, we are giving an illusion that AI can replace human collaboration and creativity when in fact it cannot. Not every school or region has equal access to technology. If we integrate AI as a co-teacher, what happens to schools in rural areas or those with limited internet access? This policy would create a deeper educational gap between rich and poor students as school. True educational progress should be inclusive, not exclusive to those who can afford AI tools. AI is a powerful innovation, but it should remain a supporting instrument, not a co-teacher. Integrated AI as a co-teacher treats human values in education. Education must remain human created because it is human connection, not algorithms that truly inspire learning. Therefore, we from the opening opposition story oppose this motion. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judge, educator, and member of the House. My name is Jessica Mutia. As the closing government, I stand strongly in support of the mention this House believes that I should be integrated as co-teacher in the classroom. Our team believes that the integration of artificial intelligence as a co-teacher is not only beneficial but necessary in today's education system. First is engaging learning quality. Integrating AI as a co-teacher increases the overall quality of education. The AI can provide real-time feedback, detect students' weakness instantly, and offer additional explanation of exercise that match their needs, unlike traditional methods that depend solely on teacher observation. The AI can analyze student performance using data-driven insights. This allows the classroom to become more dynamic, efficient, and interactive. Through this, both teachers and students gain access to deeper understanding and broader learning research. Second is supporting teachers' workload. AI serve as an assistant that help reduce teachers' excessive workload. Teachers often face administrative burdens such as granting attendance or making report tasks that take time away from actual teaching. I can automate this repetitive job, allowing teachers to focus on what truly matters, such as mentoring, guiding, and inspiring students. And the last is advancing individual education. AI analyzes truly personal learning. Sometimes the traditional classroom system often fails to provide each student learns at different pace. Some grasp concept quickly, while others need more time and explanation. I can track student progress continuously and alter adaptive learning path based on their strategy and weakness. Thank you.
Good morning, honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christina Ila as the first speaker, and my partner is Dina Farida. We ask the closing oppositions strongly stand against the motion that AI should be integrated as a co-teacher in classroom. Our side believes that while AI can support the learning process, it should not be placed in the same position as a human teacher. Education is more than just transferring knowledge. It is about building character, empathy, and moral values. First, the government said AI will make learning more efficient and personalized. We agree that AI can process information quickly, but efficiency is not the main goal of education. Education is about human growth, not just performance. If students depend too much on AI, they lose their creativity and critical thinking because AI provides instant answer instead of teaching students to think for themselves. Second, they said AI can reduce teacher workload. In reality, AI still needs constant monitoring and corrections. Teachers must check whether the AI's feedback is accurate or appropriate for students. This means teachers may end up doing more work, not less. Third, they claim AI creates equal access to education, but not all schools have access to stable internet or advanced device. So this policy might actually make education more unfair, where wealthy schools benefit while poor or rural schools fall behind. A teacher is not just a provider of information. A teacher is a mentor, motivator, and moral guide. AI can teach what, but it can never teach why. AI can explain grammar or formulas, but it cannot understand emotion, motivate students, or build character. Learning is a social and emotional process. Students don't just learn from materials, they learn from interactions. They learn teamwork, respect, and empathy by engaging with other humans. Replacing that connection with a machine, even partially, creates emotional distance. Students might feel less motivated, less understood, and less connected to school. In the long run, this can harm not just learning outcome but mental well-being. So far, I have explained why AI should not be a co-teacher because it threatens human creativity, equality, and emotional connection in education. My partner as the second speaker will continue by bringing deeper ethical, psychological, and cultural analysis, showing how AI integration can harm privacy, human values, and even local cultures in education. To conclude my speech, education is not about machine teaching humans. It's about humans teaching humans to be better humans. AI can assist, but once we make it a co-teacher, we lose the soul of education. Therefore, we, as the closing opposition, proudly stand to say, let AI help but never let. Let teachers remain at the heart of education. Thank you. Honorable Educator, and a member of the House. As the co-signing government, I stand strongly in the motion this House believes that AI should be integrated as the co-teacher in the classroom. We extend the case by embracing how AI co-teachers promote equality and accessibility in education in rural or under-researched areas, where one teacher often handles multiple subjects. AI can act as assistant that provide personalized instruction for every student. This ensures that education quality is not limited by geography or teacher availability. Moreover, AI can alleviate teacher burnout by managing repetitive administrative tasks, allowing teachers to focus on emotional support and character building. When teachers are mentally healthy and motivated, the entire classroom ecosystem benefits. Thus, integrating AI is not only a technological advancement but a human-centered reform. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Judge. Ladies and gentlemen, as the Constitution second speaker, I will extend our argument beyond what has been presented by our organization and my partner, the first speaker. Will my partner has shown that AI lacks emotional understanding and could harm education quality. I will bring a deeper analysis of the long-term physical, ethical, and cultural impacts of integrating AI as a coach. Let's start with something fundamental. Education is not only about teaching intelligent students, but also forming humans beings who understand empathy, teamwork, and moral values. When I become a co-teacher, the focus shifts from human growth to system efficiency. Students will be treated as data points, their emotions, struggle, and creativity are measured by algorithms. But teaching is not a mathematical process, it's a human relationship. A machine can follow performance but it cannot natural reason. If it depend on AI too much, there is producing a generation that is smart but emotionally hollow people who know how to ask technology but not how to understand others. No less of the ethical dimension, AI system really helping on data to personalized learning. AI must collect massive information about students, their press, voice, behaviors, and progress. Would control this data, set uploaded this data and this data can be accessed by conference or even government. Students lost control over their own digital identity. In short, integrating AI as a co-teacher, this doesn't only affect learning, it affects freedom and privacy. We cannot allow education, the very foundation of human development, to because of speech for surprise. Next, let's talk about dependency. If AI becomes a co-teacher, both teacher and student may become overall dependent on it. Student will expect instant answer. Teacher might rely on AI for lesson planning, learning, and problem solving. As a result, critical thinking, problem solving, and critical thinking. Because when a machine doesn't writing everything for you, you stop learning how to on your own. Education should make human smarter than technology and solve to it. Education also reflects culture and local wisdom. AI, on the other hand, is programmed with an universal model, even from records and data. If AI becomes a co-teacher, plans in Indonesia or other developing countries, it might consciously erase local culture and voice. Imagine students being taught empathy or respect by a machine that doesn't understand their community of belief, that just about what teach, but how we teach and why teach. AI can never answer the why. The evolution doesn't reject technology, we embrace it responsibly. AI can help teacher create material and resources or assistant student with disabilities, but they support not partnerships. The moment we call AI a co-teacher, they follow the human side of education, information knowledge. AI be intelligent but is not wise. AI can process data but it can understand humanity. It can teach lesson but it cannot teach values. Integrating AI as a co-teacher will make its classroom efficient and but emotional empathy. We will get speed but also soul. That is why the classroom opposition stand proudly to development centered education. Let AI assist but not replace. Let teacher remain the heart or way of learning because education with money is just programming in student never more than. Thank you.